We're here today. The Asian Development Bank is going to be signing a $100 million loan on very concessional terms with the government of Fiji to support road infrastructure. We have a press release that's able to be circulated, and I'm sure we can take a couple of questions afterwards if anybody would like.
Sure. I think this is a significant occasion. Restarts a journey that has always been part of our development, the ADB as our development partner. And it's significant in the sense that that this is going to be, this loan is going to go into one of our most critical areas of development, which is roads. And we have those areas already identified where the money is going to be spent. And it is really for the benefit of all of the people of Fiji. And it's coming to us at 0.7%, I understand, and at a very, very competitive rate. So I think that we expect that this partnership that we have now resumed is going to take us forward, and I know we have already made starting our communications in the area of water. So I thank the ADB on this occasion, and I wish us well in the future as we partner together to bring further development to our people in Fiji. Thanks.
Of course, this is again our re-engagement with the ADB in a lot more fuller basis, and we appreciate their commitment and indeed their enthusiasm and energy that they've come to the table with. They are very much our partners in terms of the massive infrastructure work that's being carried out and indeed accommodated for our 2015 budget. The Minister for Infrastructure is now known as the $1 billion man, obviously. Is the person who is primarily responsible for the implementation, and of course with the assistance of ADB we will be able to carry out this much needed infrastructure work. A lot of it of course is in many of the rural isolated areas. People in the town and cities do not necessarily get to see it. It's about not just main roads, but also Irish crossings, bridges, jetties, all of that infrastructure. As you know, that the $100 million was referred to in the budget estimates, which unfortunately the other side was not present at. But as you know, that this money is being drawn down over a period of time, and we are very grateful for the ADB's assistance. We look forward to partnering with them in other ventures. Of course, ADB does offer to us other areas of help and assistance in terms of technical expertise. As you know, that government is very much focused in terms of streamlining processes, bringing about efficiencies, and also in terms of some of the partial divestments that's going to take place. And we look forward to working with ADB further on this, and together with organizations such as World Bank.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.